today we finally get our hands on the brand new iPhone 16 Pro Max. Just can't wait to share this moment with you. So let's unbox it together and find out what Apple has brought us this year. The packaging keeps the classic Apple mechanism, clean and simple. Now let's open it. Wow, the first look is stunning. The phone sits right there and just holding it, you can constantly feel the premium finish. Inside the box, you get a USB-C charging cable, an eject pin, and a UU paperwork. Now let's take a closer look at some key features of this iPhone 17 Pro Max and show you how to turn this stylish must-have with some right accessories. Now let's take a look at the overall design. This year, iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max come in three colors: silver, cosmic orange, and deep blue. And honestly, cosmic orange is the one that really catches the eye. With its heat-forged aluminum union body enclosure combined with the ceramic shell, it not only stands out visually, but also makes this the most durable and powerful iPhone models ever made. For us at TVCMALL, this orange feels especially close to heart. It perfectly matches our own signature brand color, which makes us love it even more. Another detail worth mentioning is the Apple logo placement. It has been shifted slightly lower as we expected. The MagSafe charging range inside hasn't changed at all. So when you are picking up MagSafe accessories, especially cases, you will want to keep that in mind. So some might partially cover the logo. Next, we have put together a selection of stylish accessories. To start with, tempered glasses. This is the tempered glass from Dropshipping. First, let's peel off our 17 Pro Max. And here is a tempered glass from Dropshipping that helps you to install your tempered glass in seconds. And we are done. Let's check it. If there are some bubbles, no worries. Just press it hard and then it will disappear. And it aligns perfectly. And next, we have camera lens to protect your 48 megapixel camera. Let's open it. And here's the wipe and camera lens. Let's wipe the camera first with our tools. This is no wet wipes. Have our camera cleaned. And then the cloth. Perfect. Let's peel off the camera and then align with your camera lens and press it. And then you're done installation. And now we are done with the tempered glass and lens protector. And next, we would like to try the foam accessories. This snub case from Taurus brand. Orange color, which is perfectly aligned with our cosmetic orange iPhone 16 Pro Max. Wow, it looks so nice, right? And here's the old stand to help you turn to full rotate. And we got more trendy accessories. Let's try. This is also a case from Taurus. Also very stunning. I love it. It's an old stand. And this is from Dropshipping, one of the loved brands among our customers. Transparent MagSafe cases are always popular among our customers. Let's try this floral case. The textures and the patterns are so lovely floral pattern. which will be a love for girls. Next, let's try these folio flip leather cases from Deuces. And here is the MagSafe function. Let's install it. Super easy to install. This is a folio flip. On the back, you can see orange color of the foam. Here's the magnetic closure. We also have many styles of charging cables. It's not just a charging cable, it can work as a foam chain for you to easy carrying. When you use it as a charging cable, just have to rotate it and then you're ready to charge. USB-C to USB-C charging cable. And this year, Apple just launched a new charger with up to 14 volt, enable you to charge your iPhone more faster. And we have much more accessories for iPhone 17 Pro Max. Like this is the battery charger, wireless charger, and also charging cables and chargers, all available on TVCMALL. And that's just a glance at TVCMALL, Europe's #1 one-stop wholesaler for mobile accessories. We have over 1 million products ready for you to explore. Honestly, this one is my favorite today. So what's yours? Drop in the comment to let us know. Don't forget to subscribe and like us. See you!